Hi, I'm going to pick a new winner for the Crochet Workshop magazine. You can find this magazine on Amazon, so I will link it down below. The winner for this magazine, this happened a few weeks ago, they did not claim the magazine. So I have to pick a new winner, and all you need to do is go below this video and contact me through my email if your name is the name that is announced, and make sure you're a subscriber. Thank you everybody for subscribing and participating. And I seems like I may need to pick a new winner if this doesn't work, because I think I'm on my second or third winner on this magazine. All my promotions are listed down below this video. If you like to join Knit Crate, look at my crochet books on Amazon and my Etsy store. Okay, so let's see who the winner is. The winner is Linda Jones. I had to pick a winner with this new comet picker because the other random comet picker wasn't working for me for some reason. So I just placed the YouTube video here, and out of 193 comments, Linda Jones right here popped up, and she said, "I like the purple scarf and shawl." Okay, so Linda, please contact me with my emails listed down below. Also, I'll give this probably another week or two and pick a new winner if this doesn't work. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching.